Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. This is math lecture number 4 of a class presented by Sayyid Hasnain Raza, SS Math. Contents today we will study distributive laws. We define these laws. We solve examples related to these laws and also solve the exercise 1.2 question number 3 and 4. Learning objectives today are: at the end of lesson you will be able to learn distributive law of union over intersection, learn distributive law of intersection over union. Now we revive our previous knowledge. Last lecture you have learned about commutative law of union and intersection, associative law of union and intersection. We have read distributive law of multiplication over addition. A multiplied by B plus C equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, where A, B, C are integers. ये हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन 7th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं और ये इसकी मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म है. Today we will study this law with respect to union and intersection. We have observed that these laws, commutative law and associative law, can be easily verified by solving left hand side and right hand side. Same way we can verify distributive laws. हमने जैसे पिछले लेक्चर में commutative law और associative law को verify किया by solving left hand side and right hand side, same way हम distributive law को भी ऐसे ही verify करेंगे. Distributive law of union over intersection: if A, B and C are three sets, then A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C is called distributive law of union over intersection. Verification of distributive law of union over intersection: we can verify distributive law of union over intersection by solving following example. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बेसिस के अंदर हमारे पास B इंटरसेक्शन C है. इट मीन दैट हम पहले B इंटरसेक्शन C सॉल्व करेंगे, देन वी टेक अ यूनियन विद A. हमारे पास सेट्स A B C आर गिवन है. A sets having elements 1 2 3 up to 20, B set having elements 5 10 15 up to 30, C set having elements 3 9 15 21 27 and 33. Solution: left hand side A union B intersection C. पहले हम B इंटरसेक्शन C फाइंड करेंगे. वी राइट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट A यूनियन विद इन ब्रेसेस. वी राइट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट B एंड सेट C. वी टेक अ इंटरसेक्शन सेट B and C. We observe only the 15 which is a common between B and C. Now we take a union with A. That become 1 2 3 up to 20. अब हमने देखेंगे, हमने पहले B को C के साथ इंटरसेक्शन लिया और जो आंसर है उसका एक साथ यूनियन लिया, तो हमारे पास आंसर है 1 2 3 up to 20. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ वी सॉल्व द राइट हैंड साइड. फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व A यूनियन B. हम A सेट के एलिमेंट्स लिखेंगे, यूनियन B सेट के एलिमेंट लिखेंगे. नाउ टेक अ यूनियन. वी नो दैट इन यूनियन आप दोनों सेट्स के एलिमेंट को कंबाइन करके लिखते हैं. मीन 1 2 3 अप टू 20 आएगा और आगे 25 और 30 होंगे. दिस इज A union B. A union C, we take a union A and C. First we write the elements of A, then union we write the elements of set C. We know combining the elements of set A and set B, which is 1 2 3 up to 20, then 21 27 and 33. Now we take a intersection of A union B and A union C. That is A union B हमारे पास है 1 2 3 up to 20, then 25 and 30. इंटरसेक्शन लेंगे हम A union C का, that is 1 2 3 up to 20, then 21 27 and 33. We observe both sets have 1 to 20 elements are common. It means that their intersection is 1 2 3 up to 20. This is equation number 2. Thus from 1 and 2 we can conclude that A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. अब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ओवर यूनियन पढ़ते हैं. पहले हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ यूनियन ओवर इंटरसेक्शन डिस्कस किया है. इफ A, B and C are three sets, then A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C is called distributive law of intersection over union. Now we verify this law by solving an example. हमारे पास इस लॉ की मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म है A इंटरसेक्शन B यूनियन C इक्वल टू A इंटरसेक्शन B यूनियन A इंटरसेक्शन C. हमारे पास सेट A है 1 to 20 तक, सेट B है 5 10 15 अप टू 30, सेट C है 3 9 15 21 27 and 33. Now we solve it taking a left hand side. That left hand side is A intersection B union C. We write the elements of set A intersection, and within a basis we write the element of set B, take a union of set with set C. हमारे पास सेट A के एलिमेंट्स 1 to 20 तक वैसे आ जाएंगे, देन इंटरसेक्शन होगा और B और C का यूनियन आएगा. हमारे पास होगा दोनों सेट्स को कंबाइन करके लिखेंगे. दैट बिकम 3 5 9 10 15 20 21 25 27 30 and 33. Now take a intersection. The intersection of A and B union C is 3 5 9 15 20. Right hand side. Now right hand side, first we find the intersection A and B. The elements of A are 1 to 20 and elements of set B are 5 10 15 20 25 30. Now intersection is हमारे पास A और B के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं 5 10 15 20. Now take a intersection A and C. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट A are 1 से 20 है और सेट C के एलिमेंट्स हैं 3 9 15 21 27 and 33. Now intersection is 3 9 15. हमारे पास A और C के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स 3 है 9 है और 15 है. Now take a union of A intersection B and A intersection C. That become 3 5 9 10 15 20. हम यूनियन में दोनों सेट्स के एलिमेंट को कंबाइन करके लिखते हैं. हम A इंटरसेक्शन B और A इंटरसेक्शन C के एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन करके लिखेंगे. दैट बिकम 3 5 9 10 15 अप टू 20. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now we solve the example. Set A हमारे पास है 0, set B हमारे पास 0 1, set C is an empty set. Now we will verify the law, distributive law of intersection over union. This law can be defined as A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. First we solve the left hand side, that is A intersection B union C. First we solve the operation within a basis, that is B union C. We write an element of set A, that is 0, and we write a intersection, and we write an element of set B, that is 0 1 union, write the element of set C, that is empty set. मतलब सेट A का एलिमेंट 0 वैसे आ जाएगा. अब नेक्स्ट इंटरसेक्शन B और C का यूनियन हमारे पास आएगा 0 1. नाउ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ A and B union C is 0. That is equation number 1. Now we solve the right hand side. First we solve A intersection B. The element of A is 0 and element of B is 0 and 1. The intersection is 0. Now we take a intersection A and C. The element of A is 0 and C is empty set. Now intersection of A and C is empty set. Now we take a union A intersection B union A intersection C. We know A intersection B is the answer 0, a set with a 0 element, and A intersection C is a set empty set. Now we take a union that become a set with a 0 element. From 1 and 2 clear? A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now we solve exercise 1.2 question number 3. If A having elements A, B, C, B having elements B, D, F, C having element A, F, C. Verify A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. We solve first we solve left hand side. A union B intersection C. Elements of set A are A, B, C. Union within braces we write elements of set A. Elements of set A are A, B, C. Union within braces we write elements of set B and set C, which are elements of set B are B, D, F. Intersection elements of set C are A, F, C. Elements of set as same. Next step we take a union with A, B intersection C. Elements of set A are A, B, C. Union B intersection C is F. Now A union B intersection C become A, B, C, F. That is equation number 1. Now we solve the right hand side. First we find B, A union B. The elements of set A are A, B, C. Union elements of set B are B, D, F. It become A, B, C, D, F. Now we take a union of A and C. Elements of set A are. Now we take a union of A and C. The elements of set A are A, B, C. Union elements of set C are A, F, C. In union we write elements combining both sets that become A, B, C, F. Now we take a intersection A union B, A union C. Elements of A union B are A, B, C, D, F. The elements of A union C are A, B, C, F. Then their intersection is A, B, C, F. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 clear? A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Now we take a quick review of our lesson. Today we have learned two distributive laws. First, distributive law of union over intersection, that is mathematical form. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Second, we have learned distributive law of intersection over union. That is, mathematical form is A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now time to homework. एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास, वेरीफाई करना है हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ओवर यूनियन वेयर सेट ए इज ABC, सेट B इज BDF एंड सेट C इज AFC. हमने एक्सरसाइज 1.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्व करना है, दैट इज ऑन पेज 8. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.